Buying crypto in your local currency? It's easier than you think. With BingX P2P Trading, you can buy crypto directly from other BingX users, enjoy more payment options, and pay zero trading fees. All users are KYC-verified, and your funds are protected with an escrow system on BingX until the transaction is complete. Log in to the BingX website. Click Buy Crypto and select P2P Trading. Select your currency, enter the amount, and click Search. Pick a seller from the results and click Buy USDT. Select a payment method, enter the amount, and click Buy USDT. Follow the steps to complete the payment on the third-party platform. Once payment is completed, click Paid to confirm. The seller will release the crypto after confirming payment. To check your crypto, go to Assets on the homepage. Now you're ready to start using BingX P2P Trading to buy crypto. Happy trading!